Hey there, my name is Paul and I'm going to take you through how you can start trading Forex in 2025. Now, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate trader, this is your step-by-step guide to get you started with trading the right way. Now, without wasting further time, I'm going to let the intro and the disclaimer roll up and then we can get started. See you in a second. Now in this video, you will learn everything that will help you get started with Forex trading. Now the main thing that we need to first ask ourselves is, what is Forex? Now Forex is a short form of foreign exchange, and the Forex trading market is where traders trade currencies like the pound, the euro, the yen and the dollar. In fact, the Forex market is the largest financial market in the whole world, with $7 trillion exchanged every single day. Now, in this Forex market, you don't trade a single currency. We are trading a pair of currencies, and that is what we call a currency pair. Now, the Forex market operates 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Now, that clearly means that you can trade every single day. You can trade from anywhere in the world. You can trade at any time, whether you're a student, whether you're working a 9 to 5 job, you can trade from anywhere in the whole world. And because the Forex market is big and liquid, it literally means that it has tight spreads. That means that the cost to enter and exit a trade is very low, and that is good for traders. And please, so far, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If you have anything that you want to ask, drop it in the comments. Okay, cool. Let's continue. Now, what is a broker? A broker is a company that will connect you to the financial markets. It is in charge for your deposits and your withdrawals, and not every broker can be trusted. You need to select the best brokers that will do everything to just protect your money. Now, I personally, I use Exness Trading Broker. I'm not affiliated with them, but as far as I've been trading, I have been using Exness for the whole time I've been trading. And if you want to use the same broker as mine, please, I'll leave a link in the description so that you can use the same trading broker as mine. Now, a trading platform is a software that is going to help you trade. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are the ones that have been popular, and they are good because they are easy to use. They are user friendly. They have great tools, and the good thing about them is that you can use them on your laptop or even on your phone. Another thing that you need to do is to start learning the basics. This is where you're going to start learning about how candlesticks form, what is a candlestick and how do they form, because they are the building blocks of your trading career. When you learn about the movements, you literally learn how they move and why they move, and that is going to give you a good foundation for your trading. Now, most importantly, you need to learn about risk management. When you learn about risk management, you have the potential to manage your money and manage your risk at the table. As a beginning Forex trader, you need to understand that protecting your capital at all costs is one of the things that you need to learn as a full-time Forex trader. A good Forex trader knows when he or she is supposed to risk 1% or 2% per trade. This way, even if you lose a series of trades, it means that you have the potential to keep with some capital. You won't blow your trading account. Now, before you trade with real money, please practice on a demo account. This simply means that you are trading with virtual money. There is no real money at risk. Now, use your demo account to test out different trading strategies until you find that one that suits for you. Use your demo account to build confidence after testing out different trading strategies and finding out that this one works for me. Now build confidence in that trading strategy. Now, just be careful, because this is where most traders get stuck from. They see demo profits and they think this is their real money. This is not real money, and you need to understand that that is not real money at risk. So my initial advice is that once you are profitable, once you have gained that consistency, once you have gained that confidence, switch to a live account. Now traders, once you transition to a live account, start small and be patient. Start with a small account. Do not put all your money at risk. This will help you to learn how to deal with fear, emotions, and greed. Another thing that you need to do as a trader is to avoid overtrading. Now, this is one of the biggest mistakes traders make. They are also trying to make money very fast, and this usually leads to more losses because they are literally trying to make back what they have lost. They are becoming so greedy that they want to make more from the markets,
and this could lead to losses
or even an account blown. Instead, I want you to focus on patience and consistency. When you're consistent as a trader, it means that you have zero pressure, you have zero panic, you only trade when you're supposed to trade. And always remember that making small but consistent profits is better than trying to make all the profits at once and getting rich overnight. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from small habits that you build as a trader, discipline, patience, and learning from the mistakes that you could have made as a Forex trader.
go through everything we have talked about because these steps are the foundations. They are the foundation for anyone who's trying to start forex trading in 2025. We first looked at what is forex, and in that process we said the number one thing that we need to first ask ourselves is what is forex. And when you understand what forex is, you don't gamble around, right? Then the second thing we talked about a trading broker, and we say that this one is the intermediate, the person who's in between you and the markets. He's the one helping you to enter the markets. And the moment you understand these brokers, how they work, it's like it is your doorway to the market, right? And actually, I left a link in the description. You'll be able to see the broker that I use. I've left the link there, and to be honest, you'll be good, right? Yeah. So downloading the app, you need to choose something. You need to choose a broker that is regulated. You need to choose someone who's trusted, right? Yes. Then number three, we said we have what we call a trading platform, and this is where we looked at MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 because those are the most common apps. Then number four, we said learning the basics. If you don't have the right knowledge in forex, you will not make it 100%. But if you learn the knowledge, if you learn the skill, trust me,
Right.
it will become easy for you to make what? To make profit, right? So when you learn how to manage risk, it's like look at it like you cannot skip a foundation, right? And we had our number five, which was practice on a demo account. So when you practice with money which is not real, it helps you so much in a way that you don't panic. When you practice on a demo account, you learn to be patient, and you don't have to actually fund a $10,000 account, a demo account. No, fund like $100. Ask yourself, if what if this was real money, would I have been able to approach it this way? Would I have been able to make it like this? Right? So once you put that into your mind, it becomes so easy. It becomes ridiculously easy for you to make money. Then our last one, which was start small and be patient. This one was actually start small and be patient as our last one as a trader. So you know all of us want to make money, right? But when we after practicing on the demo, you don't have to go all in. When you go all in, that is why you lose everything. And as a trader, that shouldn't be your main goal. You need to know that 95% of the traders in the forex market fail. And they fail not because they don't know, they fail because they don't have what? They don't have the right patience. They are not patient. They want to get rich quick. So don't be that trader. Follow the plan, stick to the process, and you will make it.
Now that is your complete roadmap to start trading Forex in 2025. If you want me to cover any deeper step-by-step tutorials, or maybe you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And I will be reading one by one. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Forex tutorials like this. Peace.